In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to any of your apps and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and all of those options will be visible. Now, to add any other one from those settings, click on the plus icon next to Search Passwords. Then enter website data at the top, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, you need to input all of those informations: username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!